guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Olivia. Today I will have something cool to show you guys. Do you know what is it? It's a volcano. I'm gonna make something like this volcano. I'm gonna check out the box and find what's something inside. This is the instructions book, and this is for the water, not for medicine. And this is the spoon, and this is for we mix. And this is the goggles, and this is the volcano, and this is the orange or red powder, and this is the white powder. First we take some volcano, and we take some white powder. We take some 1 scoop. Or 2 scoops. And don't forget to close it. And we take some goggles. And we take some orange powder. We take some 1 scoop like the white powder. Or 2 scoops. And don't forget to close it. And don't forget to the 2 cups with full it of water. And don't forget to mix it. And if we already mix it, we take this and we take the water. And we put the water in the volcano. Oh, it's exploding. What? Oh, it's falling. The volcano goes to the floor. This for today's experiment. Don't forget, happy and rise up. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.